Hello guys, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again on my new video. And my name is Barista Ali. You watching Ali Vlogs and Cafe. Today I will show you grinder Hoimx review. Last video already I show you this unboxing because I buy this for my home barista. If you still not watch that video, you can watch from the description. I mentioned their link, so you can watch from there. So let's start this video. First of all, make scale your portafilter. 0, 0. First you see if you want espresso 20 grams or 15 grams, 25 grams, you set up like this. I want 20 grams for cappuccino. Later I will show you for V60, chemex, kalita. So guys, first of all I take espresso for cappuccino, latte, cortado, flat white, like americano. I take espresso for that first one. I set my size 3.5. You can see like that. Then take espresso. See, this for final. This is fine for cappuccino, latte, and cortado, flat white. Now I will show you this espresso for cappuccino. So how to brew espresso within the water from cappuccino machine. So you can see that espresso. Like a cream, so nice. And my timer 30 seconds. 30 taniya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nice. So now I will show you how to adjust for kahwa mukattara drip coffee like a V60, chemex, kalita. So come. So guys, first of all, now I will take espresso for drip coffee for kahwa mukattara V60. So I set my grinder number 5. I set only 10 grams because this is, I will show you only for sample. When I make V60, so I take my espresso 18 gram, 18 gram if I make. So now you can see this is coarse. This is best for V60. This is for V60. Now I will show you for chemex drip coffee. Now I set for chemex drip coffee. So after 5, so I set now my grinder 7. So take espresso. This is for chemex. See, have different, huh? So now I remove now espresso for cold brew. I set grinder 15. This is a hard course for cold brew. Yeah, this is for cold brew. You can see this is much coarse for cold brew. Okay, now I will show. I forget. Now I will show you for kalita, because kalita little finer. So set grinder for kalita. I set grinder size 1, 2, 3, 4. I set grinder 4 because kalita little finer espresso. Yeah, this is for kalita. So this is for espresso for cappuccino, latte, cortado, and flat white like a americano. So this is espresso for that. And this is for drip coffee V60. And third one, this is for chemex drip coffee. And this one for kalita, and this one cold brew. So guys, hope you all understand how to use this grinder Hoimx. So if you like this video, so please like, and if you new here, so please subscribe my channel. And I buy this product from Noon. If you watching from Dubai, if you watching from Egypt and Saudi Arab, so you can purchase from Noon. So thank you for watching. God bless you. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Masalam.